Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage child custody arrangements with CoParenter beginner guide step by step clearly. First, download and install the CoParenter app from your preferred app store. Create an account using your email address. Set a secure password for your account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the app's main features. Navigate to the dashboard to find your custody calendar. Create a new custody plan by selecting the appropriate option. Enter your child's name and relevant information. Specify the type of custody arrangement you wish to establish. Input both parents' schedules, including work commitments. Add any existing custody agreements or court orders. Collaborate with your co-parent by sharing the plan within the app. Use the messaging feature to communicate about any updates. Monitor the shared calendar to avoid scheduling conflicts. Set reminders for important dates, such as pickup times. Use the built-in tools to log expenses related to your child. Discuss and document any changes to the arrangement directly in the app. Access helpful resources and articles available within CoParenter. Review the progress of your custody plan regularly. Adjust the plan as needed based on changing circumstances. Remember to keep discussions respectful and child-focused. With CoParenter, managing custody arrangements can become much simpler. Stay organized, communicate effectively, and prioritize your child's best interests. Enjoy a more harmonious co-parenting experience with these tools at your disposal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.